Merry Christmas, everyone, and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on XRP. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today, wherever you are in this great world. We're gonna talk about XRP. And once again, this is the 7-day chart. We're sitting here at $2.24. I'm pre-recording this video, but right now we are going sideways on the chart. By the time this video goes live, I'm hoping that XRP has started to break out, started moving up in price. And you know, this is the time of the season where you get together with family and friends. And if you're talking about crypto, don't talk about how much money you're making in crypto. Instead, explain to them the opportunity that they're missing out on. Because XRP is one cryptocurrency that I think every single person out there should hold at least 100 XRP. Think about it like this: short term, possibly by the end of next year, with utility driving the price, 100 XRP could be worth $10,000. If you hold it a little bit longer, maybe till the end of 2026, sometime in the middle of 2026, depending on how much momentum Ripple gets between now and then, it could easily be worth $100,000. If you're willing to continue to hold XRP, maybe till 2027, 2028, that's when everyone's expecting to see a $10,000 XRP. And it's very well possible with this cryptocurrency. By then, I expect XRP to be running on all those Ripple rails. Everybody always said, well, 2030 is the big year. But I think you could shed at least 2 years off of that time frame. I think everything that was supposed to happen with XRP started back in 2017 and 2018 with Ripple meeting Trump at the White House. Ripple just recently met with Trump over the summer. I think now we're going to see what was supposed to happen back in 2017 and 2018. But I think things were moving way too fast back then. The world wasn't ready for a world's bridge currency yet. I think now the world has finally caught up with Ripple. And that's why Ripple became a global company while they were tied up with the SEC. But like I said, every person out there should hold at least 100 XRP. And every naysayer out there will tell you it'll never achieve those price points because of market cap. XRP is one cryptocurrency where market cap does not matter. It is built to move the world's money. Gifting XRP to my siblings for Christmas. Who wants to be my sibling? You know, a lot of people gift XRP, gift crypto to family members. I had a lot of people ask me about this over on X and DMs, asking me how they could avoid paying taxes if their family makes a lot of money off the crypto that they're gifting to them. You have to get them to open up their own Uphold account or Coinbase or whatever exchange you use. And then when you go to buy them their crypto, just use your card to buy the crypto or your bank account. And then tell them right after that, don't sell any of this XRP. You could get passive income from it very soon. And if you hold it long enough, it will set you financially free. But crypto is a great gift because it's something that you gift them maybe this year, but then they stop looking at it. And then 2-3 years from now, they go back and they find out that that crypto is now worth quite a bit of money. Don't sell your XRP until your wallet turns into a phone number. I've seen a lot of people say that over the years, and I agree. You know, if you're holding the right cryptocurrencies, you can easily become a millionaire off of your crypto holdings. Like I said, 100 XRP at $100 is worth $10,000. 100 XRP at $100,000 is worth, at $1,000 is worth $100,000. 100 XRP at a $10,000 XRP is worth $1 million. Think about it like that. And that's why I said everyone should hold 100 XRP. There is definitely a line. Once you reach a certain amount of money, the level of happiness won't just keep going up along with the money. Having said that, that's a better problem to have than being poor. You know, money doesn't mean so much to me. It's the same reason I don't sell anything on this channel. I'm like, and even when I talk to you in these videos, I always told you, you giving me your time means the world to me. You know, I can't even put a price on that. That is absolutely priceless. Time is something you don't get back. Sure, it's nice to have money. It's nice to be able to go buy things that you want, but it definitely cannot buy you happiness, in my opinion. Sure, you might buy things that make you happy for a while, but eventually the newness wears off, and then you're out there buying something else to fill that void. But money never meant that much to me. You know, I like to spend my time making videos for all of you. I love talking about crypto, and I really wanted all of you to get your financial freedom. I want you to be able to break away from your 9-to-5 job, break away from the matrix, that cycle they created for everyone, and have all the time in the world to do the things you want to do. That's what money buys. It buys you time, and time is something you don't get back. But if you're going to live your life chasing money, and that's what a lot of people end up doing, because they're fighting off inflation, then they're getting taxed to death by the US government on top of that inflation. So they spend all their time making money. But if you have money, you spend your time doing things you want to do. That's what financial freedom means to me. Being able to pick up and go do whatever you want whenever you feel like it. Bitwise Asset Management CIO Matt Hougan attributed the recent crypto market pullback to a natural washing out of leverage. Take a listen to this.
In 2025 and beyond. But should anyone be worrying about the sudden weakness that we've seen in the last few trading days?
No, it's great to be on. I think the weakness we've seen over the last few days is a healthy pullback. If you look at the crypto market, big picture, it's run up substantially since the election. We saw a lot of leverage build up in the system, and this is a natural washing out of leverage. There's been about $2 billion of forced liquidations over the last 2 days. This has happened in crypto since its very earliest period. We need to reset the leverage levels, and then we'll build from there. But the long-term drivers are still intact. We're still in a strong bull market. I think Kathy is right about where this is going. We feel exactly the same at Bitwise.
So Bitwise is telling you, don't worry so much about the pullbacks. Same thing I'm always telling you. Ignore the dips. Just continue to hold your XRP. We are not in alt season yet. Alt season started, but we're not in full-blown alt season, where XRP is really creating massive green candles. That is still coming. And then possible utility early 2025. This will most likely be the best time for any new investor to get into crypto. Right now is the best time to get into this space. You want to get in right now, because once XRP breaks out, if you want to buy in, then you're going to be paying a hell of a lot of money for each XRP you buy. Brief pullback in 2025, then the bull run continues. A great read for macro investors. So what they're saying here is that there's going to be a pullback in 2025. I know a lot of people are also talking about a major sell-off on January 20th, like a sell the news event once Trump takes the White House. Then the market will bounce back once again. Who knows? Maybe we don't get a pullback. And I think the pullbacks that we're seeing now, those will end with utility. The pullbacks won't be as deep. Sure, you might get a little bit of a dip on the price of XRP, but I don't think you're going to get these major pullbacks like people are calling for. I see people saying we're going to go all the way up to like 20 some dollars, then we're going to pull all the way back down under $1. I'm just not seeing that happen. There's too much going on around XRP right now and Ripple. I think we're going to get utility driving the price, and it's going to be consistent upward movement. And I think we're going to see a utility run. We are very close to that happening. This comes from Crypto Barbie. Analyst says, ignoring XRP this bull run could be one of the biggest mistakes. Cites probable $1 trillion market cap. Now, the $1 trillion market cap gets us to about $17 to $18. I think we're going to go higher. A lot of people think we're following Tesla still, expecting $40 plus per XRP. But this is the greatest time to get into crypto. Anybody who jumps in now is not going to be waiting for the market to take off like we did for years. You know, when I first bought XRP, I thought 2021 was going to be the big year. But 2021, we only got to like $1.92. This is the epic run we've been waiting for. Analyst says XRP new cheap entry price is $2 and expects $3 and $5 sooner than anticipated. And I would agree with that. A lot of people are expecting a new all-time high in between Christmas and New Year's. But I still am optimistic. You're going to be watching this video on Christmas Day. Let's see if we get that run up on Christmas that other people are calling for. I see a lot of people saying Christmas Day is going to be very big for XRP. If it isn't, then we got to look in between Christmas and New Year's. They're expecting a big turnaround in the crypto space. And everybody's anticipating a new all-time high for XRP. XRP is the most traded altcoin on Binance. I think this is happening because people are waking up to what XRP is, what it's capable of. And they realize that the world is starting to shift towards use case and utility. Even when you hear these people talking on the mainstream media news. Now, I'm not talking about Saylor or Larry Fink. They're pushing the Bitcoin narrative. But when you hear like some of these people from exchanges talking on the mainstream media news, or maybe they're working at some financial institution, all they ever talk about is use case and utility. And if they're not talking about that, they're talking about the need for regulations, because regulations will bring institutions into this space. That will change this space forever. But it's all supposed to happen in 2025. A lot of big things are going to happen in 2025. Whatever we run up to by the end of this month is nothing compared to where we go in 2025. It's going to be a massive year for XRP. And right now, like I said, we're still going sideways, dipping a little bit here and there. We're also waiting for Bitcoin dominance to break down. Once that happens, expect a major run-up on altcoins. And we will no longer follow Bitcoin. Eventually, XRP will decouple from Bitcoin. Everybody always thinks that XRP is only going to run when Bitcoin runs. But every previous cycle told us something different. Eventually, XRP breaks away and breaks out on its own. Everybody always expects it to run last as well. This time around, XRP seems to already have a lot of strength going into a full-blown alt season. I cannot wait to see where we go from here. But once again, Merry Christmas, and I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful day. With that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. Stay patient, stay positive, and we will get rich together. With that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.